Please take this public announcement very seriously.
Special announcement for the whole APC members. You can go to any police station near you and see your chance. If they refuse, grab it, snatch it. No shele. Una papa, na president.
We win.
Simple. I won't say more than that. I have a secret in my pocket.
And this also include APC members both in uniform and out of uniform. Help me share this video, forward march to the court. You're welcome back again. This is BVI Channel 1, where we tell you undiluted truth. Something happened in court the other time, and it has been on air about the struck out of P2B's petition regarding asking INEC some very important questions bordering around the glitches they claim happened during the election on that 25th of February. Okay, let's hear from the lawyers.
Well, thank you. Yesterday we didn't talk to you because there was no need. Well, the ruling is not as devastating as you may be thinking of. It was just a request to put one or two questions to INEC. And in the wisdom of their lordships, they said the application ought to have been filed earlier. And so because it was not filed earlier, the characteristically as Judas should do, they struck it out. So there is no devastating consequences as you may be thinking of, because there are many ways to kill the rat. And then we'll have other ways to invite INEC to come and answer the questions. So we will do it. I will discuss with our clients, but what is the necessity for it? When there are many ways to go to Lagos.
So to be specific, sir, what are these questions and who are these?
No, we won't argue and tell you what those questions are. We have, we wanted to put certain questions to INEC, and we didn't file the application within time.
With regards to ICT experts?
With regards to the purported technical glitch, how it affects only presidential and did not affect National Assembly. But that's beside the point. I was thinking that you were going to be interested in the video that were played.
That was simple. That is simple. So tell us about the video.
Well, you were in court. You saw it. Our case is that the election, the promises that INEC made to Nigerians through its national chairman and other principal officers of the commission, those promises, as you saw in those videos, were not kept. And I was particularly, you saw there that a prominent national commissioner said that they were all not happy. You saw that. So that's all that we wanted Nigerians to see. Contrary to what the petition is here, that transmission of results is not real time. There's no need for it, electronically transmitted result and so on and so forth. That's all that we just brought for their lordship to take a judicial look at it, devoid of any other thing. The other one was the date of nomination. From the video, from the candidates of the APC himself, you discover that he said in his word that he went to inform Mr. President of the choice of his running mate, and that was on the 10th of July, 2022. So we just brought it for the court to make up his mind, together with other exhibits we are going to produce to show what our contentions are. That's all that we have done. And the law allows us to play those videos. You know that documents don't lie. Human beings can lie, but documents cannot.
Would there be other video apart from this one?
More will come, and you will see it.
Good. I like the way they put it. There are so many ways to kill a rat. They will definitely come to, because I was like, because how can they make that mistake of not including this very important aspect of this petition talking about the so-called glitches they claimed when they shut down the server. And also we knew that the Amazon, the hosting, the people that are hosting the server of INEC and the rest of them will be coming in to testify. I was wondering, is it that they have struck out that part? No, that can be struck out. You see this rat, it must be, and they must catch them. They must catch them, my people. To be honest with you, the videos of what transpired in court, you know, the TV they brought and all of those things, you know, some people will be wondering, what actually would they like to see? Let me bring you some of them.
INEC, wait, una sure say una dey use calculator. When I calculate this thing, one I put here from 2,270 to 2,850. How you take the 90,000? How you take the 90,000? Which calculator?
See, I have a paper here. If my cameraman can see, this was found at the back building of INEC office here. You can see the thumbprints, thousands of them thrown at the back of INEC office.
Today's case was between Peter Obi and Labour Party versus INEC, APC, Tinubu and Shettima. You know, so everybody was surprised when this man brought this television, I beg, this screen, monitor. I don't know the one to call it, whether TV, whether monitor, whether screen, I don't know. Just for video evidence. Video evidence. Now we're no longer talking about paperwork or these ones that are in boxes, you know, these ones you are seeing now. This one is visual, like you go to see me, I go to see you. Everybody was surprised. Everybody was surprised in the court today. Like, what is Peter Obi up to? This man has taken another dimension towards this tribunal case. So what is happening? All of them, they were amazed. So when the court started, when the session started, there was a little joke. When the clerk called the case of Peter Obi and he mentioned his name as Peter Gregory Obi, you know, that kind of thing. So the judge was like, which one is Gregory? Better pronounce it very well, and everybody laughed. So at this point, Peter Obi now stood up on his feet and he introduced himself by saying, respectfully, my lord, I am Peter Gregory Obi for the petitioners. Okay, so now Labour Party, after this whole introduction and everything, Peter Obi and Labour Party, they now introduced their witness. Guess what? The witness came from Channels TV. He is a staff from Channels TV, and he has been subpoenaed, you know, 2 times before he finally arrived at court, because, you know, at different dates. They said they subpoenaed him, the first one on the 30th of May, and the second subpoena was 6th of June 2023. Now, at this point, argument started. The respondent, they refused that this man, this witness, will never testify because they filed it today, that it should have been filed 31 days earlier, you know, so that the petition will come together with the witnesses so that they will know the kind of thing they will expect, you know, that kind of thing. But a lot of things started happening between the INEC, APC, all of them, they were arguing to this fact that this person from Channels TV can never ever testify. That is against the court law and all that. So while this argument was going on, they claimed that the witness statement was just filed today, as I said. So they brought about little argument, and the argument lingered. So San Okutepa was now insisting. He said, my lord, this witness was subpoenaed on these 2 dates, and he asked the witness, do you have the subpoena? He said yes, and he brought it. Even up till now, they still rejected it, you know, saying this and that. In fact, so many cases we are being raised by INEC and APC as regards to that, just for them to see that this person did not testify. Something happened at this point in time because the wahala done did too much. Justice Samani now replied, all these cases you guys are citing, does it matter? We want to watch this screen. I want to see what is. I want to watch film. In fact, that was the language he used. He said, I want to watch film. Please, people should hurry. And everybody laughed. You know, that kind, you know, jokes that they do crack up in the courts for everything to be moving smoothly. So this one now, they are still on it though. They are still arguing on it. Finally, the judges agreed that the witness should testify. After all the arguments concerning the witness, whether he will testify or not, the judge now said he should testify. My brothers and sisters, another job can start. Now, the person has started the testifying as he brought out flash drives for them to watch. I think what they wanted to watch was Festus Okoye and Mahmod Yakubu, the INEC chairman, with other things. But guess what happened? The APC lawyer stood up and objected. He said, objection, my lord. I object to the flash drive being played. That they need to serve us first before the video will be played. He said this is an ambush. That they have the right to know what is in that video before they will play. But then, does it matter? This is our evidence. You need to see it at the court. I don't need to give you this evidence before playing it. You see, so that you go and prepare yourself on how to defend, you know, that kind of thing. So, but after everything, it was here that matter lingered in court today. These people are so bent. You see all these respondent lawyers, APC, and I don't know why. Why wouldn't they allow this video to be played so that all of them will see it now? If they say they did not do any irregularity, my dear, it was at this point that the argument was on that this video will never be played in this court till 6 p.m. before the court now said they will no longer continue. It will be till tomorrow 2 p.m.
Good. I'm just refreshing your mind on what happened during that time, because some people must have forgotten. This is what we expect them to play for them. Make they see them as it go be for Judgment Day, where your life will be played to you on a screen. That is exactly what P2B has brought to bear. So that INEC and their lawyers will know say they are just trying to defend the indefensible, the impunity of both INEC and the APC in the name of election they conducted. Well, I'm back again, and my health is coming back again, and I promise you to start bringing you more updates as they happen in real time. Respect to this court process. I'm bringing you unbiased update so that you go understand where this whole thing is heading to. We are not giving up until we recover the mandate of the people that was stolen by both INEC and APC. I can tell you, these two are two sides of the same coin. But we're going to dismantle it. I promise you that. Just keep the faith alive. Don't give up. These Egyptians, as they call them, Egypt is even better than Nigeria. In the name of APC government that you see today, you shall see them no more. I may be Archbishop of Good Governance. Take it with good faith. Bye-bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop a comment. I want to have your opinion on this.